That's what Joel did last
I
year.
know all those people.